Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best bidirectional scan tool for DIY. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Foxwell. Model number, GT65. Foxwell GT65 diagnostic tool gives you what Snap-on scanner offers. It features bidirectional control to request information or command an actuator to perform specific tests, such as turning the fuel pump on and off, cycling the AC clutch on and off, performing an evaporative emissions leak test, fast troubleshooting your car, not simply by reading codes, reading live data. GT65 shows live vehicle sensors data in text, graph and gauge formats and allows you to focus on any suspicious or symptom-specific data parameters. Easy to use with large 8-inch LED touchscreen and menu-driven operations. Hands-free design makes you enjoy it while using. This diagnostic tool is capable of providing power for 14 hours of continuous operation. The fast response diagnostic scanner Foxwell GT65 is a creative tool for checking and solving vehicle problems, which aims at offering a full maintenance and inspection in one scanner. It's definitely a great choice or gift for car owners, DIYers, car dealers, technicians, mechanics and automotive engineers. Foxwell GT65 can diagnose all electrical modules, including read live data, retrieve ECU information, read codes, erase codes and freeze frame to turn off the warning light related. GT65 offers a variety of VIN recognition methods, eliminating the need for complicated car identification process. Number 4. Brand name, Thinktool. Model number, Thinktool Pros. Equipped with Android 10.0 operating system, 10-inch TFT screen, 6000 mAh battery capacity, 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB ROM support, more compatible models, more third-party software, more diagnostic data, more customization information, 8 million rear camera, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. AutoVIN can access all vehicle systems of the global 129 vehicle brands. With heavy truck equipment, it can diagnose 24-volt vehicles. Thinktool Pros works for all the modules or systems, actuate solenoids and actuators for active testing, cover diagnostic and reset, graphing detailed parameters, live data for full systems, new vehicles, newly added parameters, and functionality at your fingertips, up to 1 lakh car models in the world. Thinktool Pros can work with wireless tire pressure diagnostic tool to achieve the features of TPMS activation, programming and learning. OE-level functions have been added, such as ADAS calibration, settings and conversions. Bidirectional and ECU coding functions can help you complete more advanced examinations. At the same time, the topology map function can help you understand which systems have problems more intuitively. Aluminum alloy bracket, rubber protection angle, ergonomic friction grip to make the device more steady and save much of your efforts when work. Unique modular design, supporting up to 8 functional modules for any application scenarios. The diagnosis of the whole system topology diagram shows that the system is normal, faulty and not equipped with. Using the tire pressure diagnosis module, you can learn, program and match the tire pressure. Support screen recording, data stream recording, etc. One-click automatic generation of diagnostic reports, and expandable printers that can be shared or purchased via email module for printing. One-click Wi-Fi update allows you to always have the latest bug fixes, new vehicles, and newly added parameters and functions. Thinktool Pro supports programming and coding, which is to write the relevant control information of the software into the automotive computer's programmable EEPROM or flash by making use of the electronic communication transmission technology. Thermal printer, work with the main unit, also can work with module dock. Quick print diagnostic reports anytime and anywhere. Certain vehicle components can be actuated by commands sent from the scanner to test their operability. Topology mapping displays a system distribution diagram of the vehicle control modules. Number 3, brand name, Foxwell. Model number, NT890S. Foxwell NT890S system-wide wireless diagnostic scan tool for all vehicles with access to all available vehicle modules including engine, transmission, battery energy, SRS airbags, braking system, TPMS etc. Read and clear fault codes to turn off the associated warning light. Foxwell NT890S is a powerful TPMS scanner for the users who need to find faults in the TPMS. The scanner provides guidelines displayed on the screen for the users to carry out TPMS diagnosis, TPMS sensor relearn, TPMS sensor activation, TPMS sensor programming. Combined with bidirectional control, this automotive scanning tool can output commands to the ECU and monitor the operation of the actuators, giving you a quick idea of whether a particular system, component or subsystem is functioning properly. Featured with more than 30 most commonly used special functions, Foxwell NT890S provides rapid and reliable diagnosis results, which will bring you more profitable business. Foxwell NT890S car scanner is also one of the most reliable and indispensable bidirectional control or active tests tools. NT890S bidirectional scan tool is the first choice of many auto repair shop owners and professional mechanics. Versatile in functioning and easy to use. Number 2, brand name, Launch. Model number, CRP919E. The Launch CRP919E is one of popular OBD2 automotive diagnostic scanners in the market. Launch CRP919E OBD2 Scanner is a bidirectional scan tool which can check vehicles' working status and functionality like fuel pump test, individual actuators, wiper, horn, valves, injectors coding just the way they should. Actuate solenoids and actuators for active testing, send commands to systems or components to test their working status, without using the vehicle controls. One touch to auto-scan all the onboard system, read ECU information to receive a fault code and clear all fault codes to restore vehicle performance. Record and playback live data stream in text or merged graphic, easily focus on any symptom-specific or suspicious data parameters. The following 31+ special functions are frequently used car services which can meet your more requirements and cover more car models. Hot reset service function, including EPB reset, oil reset, SAS reset, battery reset, ABS bleeding, electric throttle reset, TPMS reset, DPF reset, AFS reset, gear learn, gearbox reset, IMO keys, injector coding, sunroof reset, suspension reset, EGR reset, VOBAT reset, ENGPM reset. It's an ideal choice for DIY car enthusiasts and small or mid-sized repair shops. The scan tool CRP919E shows you live sensors data and provides data graphing for intuitive diagnostics and monitoring your vehicle performance. Help customers to better analyze the abnormal parameter. Launch CRP919E OBD2 Scanner support auto-generate and store vehicle diagnostic report which can let your mechanic know how to do vehicle inspection and maintenance. The diagnostic report can help you save time to analyze the problem. It is very great for repair shop. Mechanics can print out the vehicle report for customer. Built-in newest Android system make it work more smart more quickly. Based on Android 10.0 system, It features a resolution of 1024 into 600 pixels 7-inch touchscreen, easy to find the functions you need and understand the diagnosis results. Touchscreen and keyboard button make the diagnosis process more easy. Number 1. Brand name, Thinktool. Model number, D8. The Thinktool D8 diagnostic system features the latest VIN-based auto-VIN scan function to identify vehicles and scan all the diagnosable ECUs and run diagnostics on the selected system. Thinktool D8 is a bidirectional scan tool, allow you to request diagnostic information and input information back into the car as well. Perform active tests to control various vehicle parts individually and subsystems to test their working status. Thinktool D8 bidirectional scanner is preferred by many car repair shop owners and professional mechanics, to make it even easier to correctly repair a customer's vehicle. 8-inch scanner and newest tablet with the best operating system and screen. Thinktool D8 is an affordable pro-level scan tool with over 38 service functions that allow you to complete a wide array of maintenance functions, such as throttle body or position relearn, cam or crankshaft relearn, a T reset, key fob programming, ABS bleeding, injector coating, cylinder power balance, and more.